Red quinoa, roast pumpkin, warm salad. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat an oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Boil quinoa for 15 minutes. Remove from the heat when the water is absorbed. Prepare the pumpkin. Cut into 2 to 3 centimetre cubes. Toss on a baking tray with salt. Place in an oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Set aside when cooked. Grate the zucchini. Separate the mint leaves and chop with the parsley. Cut lemon in half. Prepared ingredients are ready for assemble. Cover a salad plate with baby spinach. Add the grated zucchini. Add parsley and mint. Add the roasted pumpkin. Add the quinoa. Toss lightly. Squeeze lemon juice over the salad. Finish with some balsamic vinegar and serve.